what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Hello all. Today our video is going to be about 2 minutes makeup challenge. So this is something a challenge video which has been circulating in the YouTube, which I saw. I saw a few videos and yes, I thought, why don't I do the challenge? So let it be 2 minutes makeup challenge. Within 2 minutes, I have to make up with the available materials. Okay. For this, what I'm going to do is I will set 2 minutes and I will show you in timer. So it will be running beside. Here for me, I will set in this and in my phone. And then I have bought a few products. Bought in the sense from my own dressing table. I have bought few products to show you. These are the stuffs I'm going to use. I will take that and I will keep with me. Only then it will be easy for me because within 2 minutes I have to do this. So I'm having my moisturizer, I'm having my lip gloss, my concealer, then my mascara and my lip balm and some compact. Okay, so it's going to be minimalistic makeup. Okay, let me start. Before that I will set the timer. Okay, I have started it. 1 minute. Okay, fine. Then okay, I have started it. So no, not in a hurry, buddy. I shouldn't be in a hurry, buddy. I'm telling to myself. Anything when hastily done doesn't happen properly. So moisturized. The next one is actually it's already going to be like, I think, let me exclude this. At least my moisturizer should settle. It's already going to be 1 minute. So let me apply mascara. No, I'm not using what to say that I mean this thing. Oh my god, I don't think it's over. It's already. It's already 11 minutes. So I'm done. So let me not have a bindi. This will do. How do I look? I only have. So it stopped over. So this is my look. I thought I could do all. I thought I could have my moisturizer. I could have my compact. I could have my mascara. I didn't bring that. What to say that? Eyeliner or kajal because I thought mostly kajal won't take much time, but I thought okay, let me explore that, and I thought even I can have a bindi, but the thing is I forgot to bring bindi here, and also really I didn't have much time. Actually the hastiness, the fear of trying to complete this within 2 minutes, I think it disturbed me. I couldn't do that. So always be confident and be without the fear. That could be a message which we got because of this issue. And here's, so hope this makeup will do. This is the thing I could do. I thought even I can apply the concealer, everything though. And even the moisturizers, wetness I've not yet tried within 2 minutes. Many have completed more makeup within this 2 minutes. So I saw many 2 minutes challenge. They are all capable of doing this. Of course, I'm not a person who spends more time in makeuping while going out. I just apply a talc. I just apply a bikini. Most of the times I'm like this. But anyhow, I think because of this moisturizer stuff, so because of the pattern and the stress I had to finish it, I'm unable to finish it. Only this much I could do. Okay, you to try out your 2 minutes challenge. You can also tag me trying out and tag me on Instagram, or yes, you can mail me your video or anything. Just try it out. Just have fun in this lockdown. That's it. Down in the sense, what I mean is just to get out of the what's happening outside. For that, not about the situation. I mean, we have to all be very much concerned about the outside situation. Let's all hope and pray for the best. And I heard nowadays the number of deaths have been decreasing. Let very soon Corona leave our land. Okay, then. Find you with another nice video. Bye.